For you. That one, right? Dogs have no respect for you.
Well, one year she took a...
This is Woo Woo getting ready to go out for a walk.
Yeah.
And adults to get her ready. Hit Woo Woo.
One year she was on a card.
You can't put them on, don't
The
put them
hat and
on. It's
everything.
okay.
Woo Woo's tail's wagging. Woo Woo's tail's wagging, so Woo Woo isn't too upset.
Good girl, Woo Woo. Gotta get her.
All of her weight is on one foot.
Okay, here. Get you to sit. There we go, girl. Here we go.
She's not sitting.
Oh, Woo, you look so happy. Look at that happy
Santa.
face.
Oh. A little camera shy because she doesn't have her booties on yet.
Once you get the booties on, she'll be happy.
Like she knows,
Which way
right?
did these go? That's the bottom. Okay. No wonder you didn't like the booty. She's outgrown the booty.
Your father gave up.
I wish I was here.
Here, you put her paw in. You put her paw in.
Okay.
Have they ever put these on her before?
I don't know. They look like
I
they're
think
used.
she did. I don't know.
They look like
I
they're
don't know
used.
how much time she would have to do it, so.
Yeah. There.
That's for sure.
Oh, look at her happy. Look at how happy.
Like, why are these...
It's only because there's like 2 foot of snow outside, that's all.
Oops. Uh-oh.
This jacket's too heavy.
Uh-oh. Flop it over. Okay. It's funny.
You can get it unmoved. I'm sorry, you're being so patient.
Alright, here's the back one.
This one's on. There we go. Can you get it? What even?
Nope. Doesn't look like it. Is this on?
The tail has stopped wagging.
Well, we just
I think the fun has begun. It stopped.
She's really hoping she gets
She's trying to tell you that. Get out.
Okay, Rylan, she was trying to put it back.
Here.
She wouldn't even put her foot down. Look at this.
Here, come lift. Come lift your back
Look
foot.
at this. This is bad, right? She wouldn't even put her foot down.
No, we start walking as she will. Come
That's
on.
confining.
Oh, she can't even walk. She didn't think she can walk because it's like...
Let's just try to get her to walk and then we'll see if it works.
Okay. All right.
Looks like she's got a broken foot.
Poor thing. Oh, okay.
Oh, she's holding it like this. I
Come on.
know.
Come on.
Whoa, going
Start
bye-bye.
walking.
Oh, we gotta take them off. No more booties.
No booties. No what to do.
No booty for you.
I guess they never use
You're
it.
not bootylicious.
Oh, Woo, look at those sad eyes.
But you can wear your coat and your Santa hat.
What the heck are you doing?
Can you believe she brought these over for Dad to put on top? I mean, this
Wait,
guy.
where's the collar?
Well, if you can find it.
It's just keeping her neck warm.
Oh, yeah, you need something to put her.
Yeah, there it is.